Friend, let's go find the muddy car. Okay. Oh my goodness, my friend, what is this? Alright, a lot of muddy car here. Let's go, my friend, don't wait until tomorrow. Okay, let's go, my friend. Wow, this is the water, so fresh, my friend. Okay, let's go. We are going to go with this one. Okay, what is this, my friend? Okay, let's see. Ta-da! Lighting McQueen, my friend.
See you at the finish line. Wow, that is something I have made up for the occasion.
Stay there. Okay, what else, my friend? How about this one? Okay, let's see, my friend. Wow, long chassis truck, my friend.
Upon the sea, the open road is made for trucks.
Okay, so good. Aha. And how about this one, my friend? Okay, clean up, my friend. Wow, amazing fire rescue, my friend. Wow, so good and strong. Stay there. Okay, the next, this one. Okay, what is this? Alright, what is this, my friend? Wow, amazing, huge truck, my friend. Look at this. This is a big truck. Okay, my friend, stay there. And how about this one, my friend? Wow, this is an aeroplane. Okay, what next, my friend? What is this? Wow, this is double cabin, my friend. Beautiful. Okay. Alright, my friend, let's go with this one, my friend. Wow, amazing rally car.
In 27th place, and the last car on the lead lap at the moment, and Labonte went around off turn number 4.
What else, my friend? How about this one, my friend? Wow, my friend, this is compactor. Look at this, the tire so big, my friend. Okay, done. And this is the big one, my friend. What it is, my friend? This is dump truck, my friend. Okay, my friend. How about this one, my friend? Alright. This is a snow tractor, my friend. Look like a loader. Okay, so good, my friend. Well, what is this, my friend? It look like a Tayo, my friend. Look at this. This is minibus Tayo.
Are you trying to protect the culprit?
No, I'm not.
All right. Okay, what else, my friend? Wow, excavator, amazing. Okay, stay there. What else? Thomas. Alright. Okay, let's go. Wow, what is this? This is a loader, my friend. Look at this, so beautiful loader. Okay, alright, how about this one, my friend? Wow, amazing, this is a rally car, my friend. Very nice, a rally car. Okay. What else, my friend? What else? Woohoo! This one is kind of what is sports car? Okay. Alright. Okay, my friend. What next? The red color. Okay, Tayo, my friend.
Alright, give him a shot that's a super strong trophy sparks.
What else, my friend? Alright, what is this? Wow, tomato.
Have fun fishing, mater.
Hello, Tom. Alright. Going to be jig-jag, my friend. Okay. How about this one, my friend? Police car. Nice police car. The last one. What is this? Molen truck, my friend. What is this? Yeah, this is Molen truck. Okay, done, my friend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bye bye.